Hi, I'm Anissa. Today we're gonna learn how to play or write a song using only 2 fingers. This is really fun if you have never played guitar before or if you're just starting to learn guitar. So some things right off the bat. This top string here is our E string, the thickest one. It's the lowest note. The string just below that is the A string, and the string below that is the D string. And those are the only strings that we're going to be using today, so the top 3. Another thing is that these metal parts here are called frets, and they help you know where to put your fingers to play different notes. And you always want to put your finger in between 2 frets, so in the space that isn't metal. Put a finger down and you press as hard as you can when you're starting. So how are we going to write a song with just 2 fingers? We're going to learn 2 chords. The first one is the G chord. So you take your index finger, your first finger, and you put it on the A string, which is the second string from the top, on the 2nd fret. Press down as hard as you can. Alright, so that's one note. That's part of our simplified G chord. And then you take your second finger here, your middle finger, and you put it on the top string, the E string, on the 3rd fret. So we count 1, 2, 3. It goes right there. So you're playing these two notes, pressing as hard as you can. And then if you strum, this is our G chord. We're going to do an E minor chord, which sounds really nice with the G chord. So keep your first finger exactly where it is on the A string on the 2nd fret, and take your middle finger away and put it just below your first finger. So it's going to go on the D string on the 2nd fret. So they're right next to each other, and you press them down as hard as you can, and you can go ahead and strum. Now, you might have to practice a couple times going back and forth, but once you get your first finger down, you don't have to move it at all. You're just moving your second finger. And then we pick up our middle finger and we move it to the E string, 3rd fret. Back again. And if you keep going back and forth between those 2 chords, you notice it kind of sounds like a song already. And then you can make up whatever words, whatever song you want to go over that. I look out my window at the clouds that are passing by. I could go up there, way up in the sky. Yeah! Thanks guys, I hope that you pick up a new instrument that you've never played before and try to give it a go today.